I uploaded every day for 3 weeks on this my channel here, and I've learned these things. Believe me when I said, if I have known these things 5 months ago that I started this my YouTube channel, I should have grown times 2 bigger than this. And these are what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video, which I believe that it's really going to put you on the right path. It's really going to help you in becoming that great YouTuber you want to be in the year 2025. So these 6 things are actually what is going to really reshape your channel and keep you at the right track in order for you to hit monetization faster than I did, because you all know that I achieved my monetization after 4 months plus on being on this YouTube street. So these new things that I am currently doing and new things that I learned are really going to reshape everything about your channel. So the first point is nobody cares. Yes, believe it now, anytime or whenever, nobody cares about your channel. Be your biggest motivation. You see that your family member, sorry to say, you see your mommy, your daddy, your siblings, they don't care about what you do on YouTube here. Yes, because they might not see the potentials you have in you. I'm still going to be giving you my story so that you can understand this point very well. So put more energy, focus more on the little beautiful audience you are having here on YouTube. Treasure it. Whenever you are like going down, or whenever you feel like this platform is no longer for you, upload a video and you will see a lot of encouragement from your subscribers, even from people who have never subscribed to you before. Yes, because they understand what you feel and they have a better way of helping you out. So back in first week of November, or second week of November, I was facing a lot of backlash on this my channel. Back then, I think I just hit my 2,000 watch hour, or I was below 2,000 watch hour. So, and I was uploading consistently, yes, but not every day, but at least I was uploading consistently, but not getting views. Always stuck with 300 views, 200 views days after upload. So I took it to my sister's DM and I was like, this is what I am currently encountering on my channel. The next thing she said was that, I think I have told you to stop doing YouTube and go back to TikTok where you have much more audience, or go back to your Facebook. Post there, people will watch you, people love you, then delete your YouTube app. So it got also to my mom's hearing and she still said the same thing. That was when I knew that these people are against me. Yes, sorry for that statement. So what I did back then was that I was scrolling, then I came across DoDash. Thank you so much, DoDash. I am forever grateful. So after watching DoDash video that morning, she inspired me. She spoke spirit into my life. In fact, it was just like as if the video she made that day was meant for me alone. So I took the video. Due to how inspired I was, I uploaded the video, and in the video I was sounding like someone who just stopped crying. And the kind of encouragement that I got from the comment section, God, these people actually knew what I was facing, they knew what I was passing through, and they have ways to help me. So it was at that point that I realized that, you see, whatever you are doing on this YouTube street, anytime you are down, don't ever run to your family member. In fact, if possible, bring it here. We all are going to support and encourage you, because why not? We know what you are passing through more than them. It's not that they are bad people, no, they are not, but you know, sometimes they don't really see the potentials we have in us. Only the people who are actually passing through what we are passing through can understand. So the second point is, the little things we ignore on this YouTube street here actually matters. What are the little things? You see, posting to your community posts. You see, uploading shorts. I know a lot of creators will be like, don't post shorts. Shorts will kill your channel. Shorts will harm your channel. I am monetized and I'm making revenue from shorts. So short is not going to kill your channel. Only post it the right way. Only upload it the right way in order for it not to harm your channel. If you do it the wrong way, you're going to get the backlash. So just make sure you're doing whatever you're doing, do it correct, but don't have that mentality that short will kill your channel. Short cannot kill your channel if you do it the right way. So like as I mentioned earlier on, community post 1, uploading to short 2. Now the third one is, you see all these YouTube inbuilt features that we small channels we like to ignore. If you've watched my video a whole lot, you will discover that it was just last 2 months that I learned how to do this, and ever since I started it, I've displayed how many watch hours I got from them. Even going on live streaming, these are things that we ignore that actually matters a lot. So if you are a creator here that is trying to start up the new year as a big YouTuber, like you want to really make it big on this YouTube street in the year 2025, please, all this point that I'm listing, get your book and your jotter, start writing down. This is how I watch YouTube videos. You have to take YouTube serious, because the money coming from this YouTube, if you start getting it, you'll be the one smiling. So I'm the best person to advise you now that you should take your YouTube serious. So the third point is always make research and try to learn new things. Yes, if you are doing educational kind of content, it's not every day that you come up and be giving us one particular topic, how to post shorts today, next tomorrow how to post shorts the right way, 3 days time do this to post shorts to go viral. No, you're going to make your audience, your viewers, to get burnt out. Nobody stop you from emulating some other creators. If you see video that they did, oh, this video is actually resonating to you, the video is actually doing well, come up and create your own. Now I'm going to be really honest with you on a honest level. You see this my video of that I talked about how to get watch hours. Yes, every single thing I said in the video are what actually helped me, because if you watch that video, I display screenshot of the watch hours I got. But that video inspiration came from one of my favorite creator here, which is Dan the Creator. After that, he made that video in his channel. He had thousands of views, almost 100 and something K views. So what I said, I copied exactly the title. If you watch, the thumbnails are alike, but what we said in the video are not the same thing, because I brought out my own points, and not just bringing out the points, I was displaying evidence. Even if you don't have the evidence, try to create evidence elsewhere. This is 2025. I know that YouTube is going to be advancing in so many ways, so these are small tips that is going to really keep you going next year. Like this applies to any niche at all you are. Let us even say you have a vlog channel, try to watch other big vloggers, find out what they are doing, find out the kind of updates they are dropping on that channel that is working. If it is maybe how you position your camera, or your camera light up, or your light settings, just check out what they are doing that is making them explore really big, and also try it, implement it on your own channel. Don't just be today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, in 1 month you're just posting about the same thing. No, try to explore YouTube, go outside YouTube, learn new things and bring it here, give your audience. And bet me when I say you are really going to grow massively. All these things are what I've been able to discover ever since I've been doing this my over or almost 1 month challenge now. And the number fourth point is have a mentor. Who is a mentor? A mentor is someone that inspires you, someone that you are looking up to, someone that you will love to be, you emulate his way. And having a mentor on YouTube, or on your journey as a creator on YouTube here, is really going to help you a lot. I don't need to speak much again. As you all know, my number one mentor is Dan the Creator. He's not all that big, though I know he has other big channels on YouTube here, but this is current channel where I discovered him from, where I've been watching him from for over a month. In fact, I literally know when he made his first video. So I've been following this Dan the Creator, and I have learned a whole lot. Also, how to place my video, how to go about with my videos. I still have other two, which is Virginia Kerr, and also I mustn't forget Robert Benjamin and Vibisona too. These are my mentor here on YouTube. I watch their videos, I learn from them, I implement them on my channel, and you can see for yourself. So if you are on any niche at all, is it gaming, you talk about how to make money here on YouTube, you have a vlog channel, there are people bigger than you on this YouTube street that you can emulate their ways. Learn from them, and believe me when I say you are going to see a lot of changes, because if you have a mentor, it's really going to help you and direct you on journey of YouTube here. So get up, go and get a mentor. I do not say you should start copying every single thing he's doing. If you check, despite Vibe Bushona being one of my mentor here, I don't copy her videos. I don't just do copy paste. I just learn from her and I emulate some things that she do. It was from Vibe Bushona that I started doing live stream. It was from Tech Informat I started making use of playlists and all that. It was from Dan the Creator I learned a lot of new things which I am applying on my channel currently, that is really helping me to grow. So just get a mentor, someone who is going to inspire you, someone that you watch and you want to be like them. This is really going to help you a lot, help you so much, believe me when I say this. So let us just dive straight to the fifth point, which is the main of the day. So the fifth point is consistency. This whole information is not going to be correct if I don't mention consistency. Consistency has really helped me a lot, and most of us, we are mistaking this being consistent, we are mistaking this consistency a lot. You can be consistent and be uploading 3 times a week. You can be consistent and be uploading twice a week. You can be consistent and be uploading every day. Consistency is what brought me to where I am today. As you all know, I started a challenge which I started on the 28th of November. Inside this challenge, that is being consistent with this challenge, I've been able to hit 4,000 watch hour. I've been able to get monetized. After monetization, I didn't still stop the consistency. I was still consistent. Consistency has really transformed my life on YouTube here. So as we are entering the year 2025, let consistency be one of the things that is going to be moving with you to this new year. Tell yourself, I'm going to take YouTube serious. I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to try my best to upload regularly, not just uploading anyhow video. If you check my channels, I am not just picking up my camera and saying anything at all. I still bring out value. Honestly, it's never easy. It's not easy. Sometimes I feel like not even posting at all, but since I have it in mind, I have a target, I have no option. And this is one of the things that has been really helping me to stay consistent. Yes, because if you check this place here, you will see my December content. I write my content down, and as the day is going by, I still have other content coming to my head. I have a friend, she has a vlog channel with over 5,000 subscribers. She's doing well, and I was surprised that she also have a book like this, someone that is doing vlog. Actually, I used to think that it's only maybe educational kind of content that make use of notebook to jot down the content, but she's doing vlog, she's doing well. And she also have this book. She has a particular book where she writes her weekly content, where she's going to go to film to add to the vlog. So this is a side, this is just me telling you to try and be consistent next year. So whatever thing that is holding you back, whatever thing that is stopping you, say no to that thing. 2025, you must make it on this YouTube street here. Yes, it's hard. Yes, YouTube is hard. YouTube is not my mind. YouTube is not rice and beans, but you can also do it. I did it. You too can. Just try to be consistent, okay? And at the end, you're really going to be happy that you actually came across this video and you take to all these points which I shared with you in this video. So let's just go straight to the sixth point. So the sixth point, which I'm going to be sharing with you, though I'm still going to add a jar to it, is be your biggest fan and motivation. Yes, I could remember before starting this challenge, I said to myself, I am going to be bringing out value back to back. Whether people watch it or not, I won't be discouraged. The first 3 videos that I posted back to back then, they didn't really get views. It was after this particular video here started picking up and blowing up a little. But I had videos that are still stuck with 500, 400 views. I didn't give up. I said to myself that even if nobody watch it, I am going to watch it. So that motivation spirit alone was what kept me to continue with this challenge. I know I actually started seeing results faster, but sometimes it might be slow. Do you guys know how many times I have tried doing this challenge? I've posted a whole lot of times on my channel. I am on a 1 week challenge. I'm on a 2 week challenge. I will just do 2 days, 3 days, and I will stop. But this time around, And some of the things that was stopping me back then was maybe I'm being discouraged, no views, nobody's watching, nobody's commenting, no encouragement. I'll just give up and come back to my community post and write I'm done with the challenge. Meanwhile, I just couldn't do it. So but this time around I said to myself, I'm gonna take the bull by its horn. Is that the right phrase? Yes. So I was my biggest motivation. This is what brought me to where I am today. I'm not bragging. Every single thing I'm telling you here, I am telling you from a pure heart of a small creator like you. Because looking at the numbers of subscribers on my channel, don't just take it that she has huge number of subscribers. These subscribers you see, 6,000 are from short, and you all know that short subscribers don't tend to watch your long form videos. Yes, because this my whole channel, the story, the background story, if you just go through my videos, you'll be able to understand more, because I built it solely on shorts. I never imagined that I was gonna be out there teaching you someday. It was just God putting things to place, and here I am today. So try to be your biggest motivation. You can do it. Without your 200 subscribers you have currently, utilize them. Do you even know what it is for 200 people watching you? Can you come outside and speak in the front of 200 people or the front of 100 people? That is to tell you that you are to treasure any subscriber you have. Even if it's, I could remember when I celebrated my first 500 subscriber on this channel here. It was tears of joy. Like, I never saw this moment back then. I was really happy. I was so happy. I was thanking God. I was tearing up because I just got my first 500 subscribers, or was it when I did my first 100 subscribers? So always try to treasure every moment, every subscriber moment on YouTube here, and as you reach any milestone, try to push more, because that is what always keep me going on this my channel. If I'm getting views, I just try to look for other means to get more views. So don't be going viral and just stay one place thinking that it's going to be going like that. No. Or you get monetized and you are relaxed thinking that that is how the revenue will be coming. The minute you get monetized is the minute you need to start putting in more work so that cash can start coming in. So guys, this 6 points, though I know that there are still more, but I think I've been able to hit on the most important part, which is really going to help you in the year 2025. So do not take this as a joke. Take your YouTube channel serious, and believe me when I say, you're going to smile last because YouTube is paying. YouTube revenue is, I've been working for, that is, I worked almost this year to the middle of this year, and the money I have made in the couple of 2 to 3 months is not compared to how much YouTube has paid me 4 days after monetizing my channel. So guys, I think we'll have to stop this video here in order for it not to be too long. If you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to be a part of my beautiful family, because why does I only bring out values for you. I bring out values to your table, things that is going to help you grow on YouTube here. And if you have any question at all, always go to the comment section, tag me, ask your question, and I am ever willing to assist you anywhere, anyhow, at all. So I'm glad if you watch to this extent. Bye, and see you in my next video.